Ito ang mga paraan kung paano natin verify ang ating registration ng National Commission on Senior Citizens or NCSC. Unang-una, pindutin natin tong Chrome app. NCSC Online Registration Verification National Commission of Senior Citizens NCSC. Ayan. Una guys, pindutin natin tong accept. Tingnan natin tong accept. Pindutin natin accept. Tapos, isunod natin pindutin itong verify here. Verify here. And then, makita natin dito ang registration verification. Your RRN serves as your set of the registration with us. So if you already have one, there is no need to verify every time. For your safety, we do not permanently retain your record online. After a time, your record will be downloaded to our main facility for safekeeping. The PKN is the personal passkey number registrar nominates during registration should be kept unsecured. Please do not share your PKN with anybody not known to you. For those who have submitted a manually accomplished ECD, it will be considered registered with NCSC. No RRN will be provided since the RRN can only be generated or for an online registration. Okay guys, ang RRN ay makita lang sa online. Kapag nag-online registration ka, meron kang makitang RRN, may ibigay silang RRN. Pero kapag sa manual, sa mga Office of the OSCA, tapos mga form ay ibigay nila, tapos ikaw mismo mag-fill up, wala kang makitang RRN. Ang gamitin mo lang pag-verify yung full name, yung yung middle name at saka surname at yung exact na birthday. Kung kailan ka pinanganak, halimbawa April 16, 1953. Yan, ilagay nyo. Kung pinanganak ka sa January 1, 1927, yan. Yan ilagay mo kung kailan ka pinanganak. Year, month, and date. Tapos, pag natapos mo na, PKN the personal passkey number. During registration, it should be kept unsecured. Please do not share your PKN. Huwag daw niyong i-share kung kanino man at kailangan mag-secure ka ng copy or i-screenshot tapos itago mo, i-safety para pag kailangan mo na, di ka na problema sa paghanap. For those who have submitted a manually accomplished o kung nagmanual ka sa pag-register, no RRN. No, wala daw RRN will be provided since the RRN can only be generated or for an online registration. Sa online lang makita. Kapag nag-register ka sa online, meron kang RRN. Pero pag manual, wala kang RRN. Ano lang, pag-verify mo, name lang, name at saka birth date. Name, full name. Name, middle name at surname. Yan guys. Tapos, pag nalagay mo, submit. Pindutin ang submit. Gaya nito. Piliin natin kung anong gawagawin natin. Verify using registration reference number. Kapag wala kang RRN, dito ka sa verify using exact name and birthday. Oh. Tapos, verification by name and birthday. Name and birthday. Enter your name dito. Enter ang complete name. Last name, first name, middle name. Oh. Last name, apelyido mo. Ang first name, yung pangalan. Yung middle name, yung apelyido ng nanay. Middle name. O kung ikaw ay may asawa na, ang apelyido, ang middle name mo ay yung apelyido mo nung dalaga pa. O tapos, pindutin natin tong I have name extension. Kung wala extension, halimbawa yung mga number, pares yung Gregorio the third, senior, ganon. The third, the second, the fourth. Kung wala, huwag mong pindutin. Tapos, ilagay dito ang birth date. Select month, date, and enter. Tapos, isubmit. Pindutin tong submit. Tapos, pag na-submit no na, lalabas na yung ano mo, verification kung na successfully verified ka na. Yan lang guys. Thank you for watching.